In the grand Mughal gardens of India, Persian master gardeners were revered as artists who could paint with water and flowers. Each morning began with the delicate task of maintaining perfect harmony between flowing water, fragrant blooms, and geometric precision. The masters passed down centuries of botanical knowledge, teaching young apprentices the secrets of grafting, pruning, and nurturing exotic species. Their expertise extended beyond horticulture into mathematics, astronomy, and hydraulic engineering. As day turned to dusk, they would fine-tune the garden's complex hydraulic systems, ensuring each fountain danced to perfection. In the quiet of night, these master gardeners would meditate among their creations, finding divine inspiration in the perfect harmony they had cultivated.